Good day mga kachings, another day, another blessing na sa tano. So we have a cake. The order of the cake is 1 7 by inches diameter by 6 inches in height, and 1 bento cake and 2 dozen of cupcakes. So the flavor of these cakes are choco moist cake. So we start with the cake, the big one, and this is a cake with overload gummies. So let's continue sa pagbutang natos mga gummies sa itong cake. I'm using whip it icing, pero sa first na to light na to ang color before na to i-cover og dark brown para dili kay pait ang taste, no? Kay once darker mo change man iyang lasa. So gakuha ra tagamay nga whip it icing niya atong gi-dark, so mo na tong gibutang cover, no? So mo na siya, no, the overload gummies cake. So this is the size of this one is 7 inches diameter by 6 inches in height. And this is it, we're done with a big one. So thank you to Ma'am Gertrude for trusting Chains Cake and with the sets of cakes. And this is it, we're done with our cupcakes, cakes, and bento cake. Una ni mga kachings, no, da naman natong cake ato na nagipacking kay ready na for delivery. So this is the life of a baker after nito pag mo si deliver na sad ta. So happy lang sad ko na ko'y driver ka kay school ako anak today. So kami mag-deliver karon. So mamotor ni do ulo man ni deliverance. So tara mga kachings, mag-deliver na ta. So ato deliver ka na lang cakes and cupcakes. So man naman natog deliver kanina sa'yo ang bento, pero isa ra ka customer ana order ana, no? So continue ta pagpadayon padulong sa atong deliveran na sa atong cakes and cupcakes. So let's go. So accomplished na today. Now man natag deliver sa atong cake. So this is it. Thank you for watching and God bless.